Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, backup camera, leather upholstery, audio radio, touchscreen display, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.